Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. And I want to answer some concerns about the linear rails from RobotDigg. You know, we have three kinds of material, the most popular one, which is cheap. It's Chinaman and product, the GCR 15 steel, and also there are 440C stainless steel linear rails, and also the heavy genuine linear rails. The most popular size is MGN9, MGN12, and sometimes MGN15 is also have some request. Why the MGN9 and MGN12 is most popular? That's because MGN9 the width. I have drawing here. MGN9 the width of the rail is 15. So it's just a sit on the aluminum profile 15. And the MGN12, the width of the rail is 20 millimeter. So it just can sit on the 2020 aluminum profile. Aluminum extrusion, or you call it. So it's quite popular, used for desktop or DIY 3D printer, CNC machine, and other equipment that you want to quick prototype. So the aluminum profile is very popular. I mean, you can get the aluminum profile very quickly and easily elsewhere. Elsewhere in the world, not only in China, or if you are from US or Europe, you can find this kind of aluminum profile at 50/50 or 20/20, very popular. And the MGN 15, the width of the rail is 25. As we know that the aluminum profile is 15/15 and 20/20, and then there are 30/30. So there is no 25/25. Maybe there were 25/25 aluminum profile, but it's not very popular. Someone, maybe argue that there is no MGN20, but we have MGN20. But it's only available, the material is 440C stainless steel. Here let's check. We have one rail. This rail is the MGN20. Okay. See here, MGN20. The width is just 20, but it's miniature linear rail, miniature guideway rail. Here you can see which is the HGR type rail and carriage, which is higher preload linear rail for larger CNC machines. You can find our pick and place machines and something like that. This stainless steel MGN20, the width is just 30, so it can sit on the aluminum profile wheel, a 30. Yeah. Oh, it's just a little noisy, but this one is the Hewin one. You can see we put in the air as well, yeah, it's very good without lubrication. We use this to clean, okay? To clean what? Clean if there are rust or dust. Okay. WD14, 40, WD14. Another question. I just mentioned that we have the first concern that why MGN9, MGN12, or MGN20 or MGN15 are popular. That's because it's just sit on the aluminum profile, which is very popular to build small machines or 3D printers, CNC machines, something like that. And the second concern, let's check out this. Here is a paper. There are answers you want to know because recently there are many questions on this. That is the ball bearings of the carriage of the linear rails. Here you can see the MGN9 or MGN7 is 1.5 millimeter diameter ball bearing, and the MGN9 or MGW line. Sorry, I forgot to mention that we also have MGW7 MGW line and MGW12, MGW15. The ball bearing of the MGN7 is 1.5 millimeter, but there are two different sizes for the MGN9. That is because there are different standard MGN9. Like Hewin, it will be 2 millimeter diameter ball bearing. The carriage, this carriage, you can see here, the ball bearing MGN9 is 2 millimeter. But you can see this, our stainless steel linear rails, the MGN9 ball bearing, we use 1.581. That is because this stainless steel linear rail is just similar, same specification with IKO linear rails from Japan. So it's different from the Hewin or other, the GCR 15 linear rails MGN9 from us. Yeah. Out of that, the MGN12 are all the same. It's 2.381 millimeter diameter ball bearing. maybe you can source some ball bearings from local stores or local area, but there is one question that because different carriage, the tolerance is different. I mean, the ball bearing need to have tolerance because the diameter is 1 point or 2 point, blah blah blah. So the tolerance will affect even 0.1 or 0.2 millimeter. That will have affection on the result. So that's why we suggest that you need to take care this carriage. When you remove this carriage, the ball bearing will need to stay inside. You can get it reverse and move it slightly, and then after clean that, you need to mount this back, mount the carriage back carefully without lose the ball bearing, because most of the linear railway carriage of China are not interchangeable. So that means from linear rails from different different branch production, the tolerance is just different. So that's because most of the linear rail are from different machine. From different machine. You can see there are two grooves, right? Two grooves for the ball bearings. Two grooves, each side has one groove. So when we produce this, in my previous videos, you may check that the machine need to cut these grooves very slowly, and for the heavy duty, this one heavy duty HGR 15 or HGR 20, 25, 30, 35, 45. It's quite slow. One day it could be just pieces of this reel, but for this one it will be quickly. But compared with other, production, it's also not that quickly, because we need to make sure these grooves do in one, just in once. We cannot repeat this, because if we repeat to do the job, the grooves will be this groove will have tolerance, and you will feel some kind of warning, right? Yeah. So this is just the second question. For you want to know the ball bearing diameter of the linear rails. I have just one of this specification ahead, but take care that different MGN9 has different diameter ball bearing. Yeah. Also, we do this MGN3 and MGN5 linear rails MGN3. This is the MGN5 linear rails. So which is stainless steel. Yeah, that's for today's video. And to know more, welcome to subscribe to RobotDigg Shanghai. Thanks for watching. See you in coming videos. Bye.